heard some rumble and weird noises in the bedroom. I decided to observe the humans. They played catch on the bed. Especially the woman made strange noises and was gasping for air. After a while, I thought I need to rescue her, like she rescued me from the streets. Like I was Flash, I jumped right onto the bed and bit this ugly, filthy thing in his smelly feet. Ugh, that was so gross. He was frightened. Then he fell off the bed, right into my pee puddle. Next thing, I can't even describe it. He had no fur at all. And I mean, not a tiny single hair. Not even on his head. And he had 3 legs. After that, I got some memory gaps. There was some running, screaming, things flew around. He ran after me with his weird-looking one-eyed snake, grabbed me and kicked me out. All alone in the cold. Then I ate.